we have breaking news. A tornado warning has been issued for Pacific County. Ashley, what's going on?
Well, Jessica, we have a waterspout that is offshore. The National Weather Service out of Portland issued a tornado warning, a pretty rare tornado warning. It is observed, so that means it was seen and not just radar indicated. So it is moving to the northeast, roughly at 25 miles per hour, and could move toward Tokeland by 4:32. And so that is just in about 15 minutes or so. This tornado warning is in place until 4:30. And so again, just another 15 minutes or so, but it is observed. Still a couple of miles offshore, but it kind of has this hooking shape to it. That means it is showing signs of rotation. So this is in Pacific County right now. And once again, this is going to continue until 4:30. And so it still has that potential to hold together tornadic as it pushes ashore. We'll continue to watch this and keep you guys posted. Let's send it back to you.
Ashley, I want to ask you a quick question, because obviously this is the last thing people want to see after the storms we experienced last night.
Right.
How rare is a tornado warning like this, in this part of the country?
Well, the Pacific Northwest, on average, maybe one, maybe two tornado warnings per year, 1 to 3 on average. So this is pretty rare. In fact, meteorologist Adam Claiborne behind the scenes is actually tracking this storm for us. And in fact, it looks as though this tornado warning was just extended to include Grays Harbor County now in portions of Western Washington. So as of right now, this is now in place until 4:45 this afternoon. So another 30 minutes. Again, this is because we have water spouts developing offshore, but as they start to move inland, they'll still hold together. This is not a fair weather water spout. This is a tornadic water spout. So it will likely be pretty much on the weak side of things, but this could impact about 34,000 people. So the National Weather Service once again has issued this tornado warning. It's extended this tornado warning, and it looks as though it's going to include Aberdeen perhaps, and then portions of Westport. So we are going to track this very carefully, but if you do live in this area, especially if you have friends, family, make sure you get into that safe place, because you don't want to be by the water. You don't want to be by any glass. You don't want to be by any windows as well.